What's up everyone, my name is Alex Kouras and these are my winter gloves. Winter is upon us and I had the brilliant idea of putting on some very large winter gloves that have absolutely no grip and give myself a self haircut with them. I really wouldn't recommend you guys give this a shot, but if you guys really want to try it, then I guess I can't stop you. But with that all being said, here is the winter gloves self haircut challenge. So for this self haircut, I want to give myself more of a low fade. I want to keep the hair by my part line and let that grow out so that it all connects with the length on top. So for this self haircut, I'm going to be starting with the number 2 guard lever open and just really trying to make sure I don't get any of the hair by my part line on both sides. If you guys can see that, there is absolutely no grip from these gloves on my clippers. So I'm literally clenching these as hard as I can just to make sure they don't slip. So now that the first guideline is completely done using the no guard lever closed, I'm going to be going in next with the lever completely open and then going up about ½ an inch. And here you guys can see a good 360 of the first guideline. So again, I just went up about ½ an inch to 3/4 of an inch using the no guard lever open. So I just finished fading in that first hard line, and I have to tell you, it's actually not that difficult using these winter gloves. If anything, it actually keeps my hands relatively cool because the clippers do get pretty hot. So let me show you guys a quick 360 of what it looks like right now. So I just finished using the number 1 guard lever open, and if you guys can see on my gloves, I don't know how, but they just completely disintegrated. I'm not sure if it's because of the heat of the clipper, but the fingertip on this glove just completely disintegrated and is now wearing away. And so let me show you guys a quick 360 of the number 1 guard lever open. So now I'm going to take out this hard line right in here using the half guard lever completely closed. Don't know why, I always find it, for some reason it's always harder when I use the half guard lever closed than when I don't. So I just finished using the half guard lever completely closed. Let me show you guys a quick 360 of how my hair looks after I banged out that second hard line. So now I'm going to be taking my 1.5 guard lever closed and I'm going to be flicking out this hard line right in here, right in between the number 1 guard lever open and the number 2 guard lever open, which was that first guideline I did at the beginning of the haircut. So I just finished using the 1.5 guard lever closed, and I also went back and used the number 2 guard lever open one more time just to kind of get all the extra hair to blend it in a little bit better. A little bit of a bonus, I'm going to be giving a beard fade to myself and showing you guys how to do that as well to really make it all come together. So when it comes to fading in your beard to the self haircut, I always like to start with the longest guard first, so pretty much figure out what the length is with your beard, whether that's a 1 guard or 2 guard or a 3 guard, and then work your way backwards into the fade, going from the longest length to the shortest length, which in my case is the skin. And what'd you guys think? I was gonna take the gloves off for the beard fade? No. I'm keeping the gloves on because this is the Winter Gloves Self Haircut Challenge with the beard fade as well. So gloves are staying on. Let's get to this beard fade. So now let's go ahead and use the no guard lever open and get a little bit tighter with this. And then finally, I'm going to blend it in right in here using the half guard lever closed. So that looks pretty good. Let me go ahead and do the left side, and then we're all pretty much done. Alright everyone, so that was the Winter Gloves Self Haircut Challenge, and I don't know about you, but for me, I think it came out looking super fresh and super clean. If any of you guys are interested in learning how to cut your own hair and give yourself awesome fades, use thinning shears and scissors as well on the top of your head, you guys can check out my self haircut course using the first links at the top of the description. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I had a lot of fun filming it. But if you guys did like this video, make sure you leave a like and share this video with a friend. If you're new to my channel, make sure you guys click on that subscribe button down below and click on the post notifications as well to never miss a new video. My mission on YouTube is to help you guys save as much money as possible and to invest in yourselves, and I would like nothing more than for you guys to join me on this journey. But that's pretty much it. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll catch you next time. Peace!